Open your eyes.
Whoa.
Ta-da!
Wanna play with the water?
Ooh! Look!
Oh, no. Careful not to get your teddy bear wet.
Teddy loves the water.
Have fun. I want more water.
Yeah! Double more water!
100 million times more water.
Whoa, that's a lot of water. Wanna play?
Yes, I love the water. Let's go, let's play, let's find the fun in every day. Let's go, let's fly, we can do anything we like. Whatever we dream of can come true. Wherever we go is great when I'm with you. Let's go, let's play, now we're on our way. Ah, lake life. The lake should be bigger. Way bigger. Way, way, way bigger. Too big. Perfect.
Perfect.
Swimming time.
Wait! Here. I'm a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Wanna be a turtle?
What sound does a turtle make?
Turtle, turtle. Turtle?
Catch!
Hatch.
Catch! Oops.
Oh, Louis lost his swim ring.
Can't reach.
Me either.
But I want to swim. Not fair.
Come back. We'll get your swim ring back.
How?
I don't know.
It's gone forever.
It's not. We just have to figure out how to get it down.
Try and try and try again. That's the way we try, my friends. We try again. We try again. And if the second time is bad, we might get mad, we might get sad, but we try again. We try again. We feel like giving up, but then take a breath and try again. We feel like giving up, but then take a breath and try again. Try and try again. That's the way we try, my friends. We try again. We try again.
I got it.
I knew you could do it. We work together.
Oh, finally, a bite.
Oh, you're not a fish.
Try again.
cupcakes, yum diddy yum. Mix them up and have some fun. Flour, sugar, bowl and spoon. Make some noise, whistle a tune. Milk, eggs, butter. Mix, mix, mix. Pour in cupcakes, 6 plus 6. Now it's time for the oven's trick. Now we wait. 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 Anticipate. Celebrate. Birthday cupcakes, yum diddy yum. We mixed them up. Hey, that was fun!
Jonas is going to love our birthday cupcakes. Our cupcakes? We didn't help. Sure we helped. How did we help? We didn't get in the way. Right. That's not good enough. Maybe we should make him cupcakes ourselves. That's a great idea.
Jonas needs colorful, special, incredible cupcakes.
Let's go, let's play, let's find the fun in every day. Let's go, let's fly, we can do anything we like. Whatever we dream of can come true. Wherever we go is great when I'm with you. Let's go, let's play, now we're on our way.
What color should we make his cupcakes?
Jonas's favorite color is red. No, his favorite color is blue. Or is it pink? That's my favorite color. Is it green? Or maybe red? We have to choose the right color.
How about all the colors?
Yeah, one of them has to be his favorite. I've always wanted to do this. Everyone stand back. Whoa! Awesome! Is there enough frosting? What? I can't hear you above all the frosting. We're really good bakers. Those are for Jonas!
Now they're perfect.
Good enough to eat. Good enough for Jonas to eat. I bet my big brother is going to be really proud of us. Definitely.
What happened in here? I leave for 1 second, and it's like the kitchen exploded food.
We made Jonas our own cupcakes.
But we already made him cupcakes.
You made them. We wanted to help.
But you are going to help. See?
Oh. Oops. Sorry.
It's okay. You can still help by decorating the cupcakes.
Yay!
Then after, you can both really help by unexploding the kitchen and cleaning up this mess.
What? I can't hear you above all this frosting.
Huh?
Just kidding. Deal.